everybody, I promise this video will be under 3 minutes. This is part 2 of the wig I purchased on Amazon. It's an 18-inch coarse Yaki synthetic. It's supposed to be 18 inches, but it's a little bit longer than that. And it's extremely thick. I've actually had to braid 2 parts of it back, and I haven't been able to straighten it yet to get the poofiness away, but I wanted to do a quick video and let you see what it looks like. What I did was I put concealer on the inside of the wig and a little bit of foundation on the outside of the wig on the part. Okay. And then what I did too was take 2 big chunks and braid it in the back, and then I made my own baby hairs and kind of laid them down, if you want to take a look. And the baby hairs is from the wig, so I did cut the front, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's doable. You don't have to do much with it if you want to wear it out of the packet. I think it's a great wig. It feels comfortable, it feels light. Look at that. It's bouncy, but I did do the co-wash with a fabric softener and let it sit in that for about 4 hours. I was hoping it would put down the poofiness, but it did not. But it's doable. I can either braid it back like this, or I'm going to have to straighten it so that I don't have to do the braids all the time. It is longer than 18 inches, and it's very comfortable. So you have to make your own baby hairs. You have to put concealer in the part, but I did not pluck the part. I was planning on it, but I think it kind of looks good by itself. Look again. Okay, and then I just braided the hair back, and I really like it. So I promised I'd be under 3 minutes, and I'm going to cut it short right here. If you have any questions about the hair, please feel free to write them down in the comment section, and please ignore my bad eyebrows. I've not done them yet, so please do not look at them. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, everybody. See you soon.